Hi all.
Hi friends. Hi everyone.
Hi dears. Hi dears.
Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to unbox something. So it is a mystery box. I have uploaded stories recently. So as I said, it is a big and top India's brand, and at least one of their product is used in every household. So are you guys ready?
Yes.
So my mom was very excited. So I'll let her open the box. So 1 minute, I'll bring the box.
Box.
So this is the mystery box. So I'm going to unbox this. It is a bit heavy and huge. So I'm going to unbox this in front of you all. Not me. My mom will unbox it. Bring scissors. Firstly, thank you so much for all your support. Today, what I am it is all because of you. So thank you so much. So recently, my channel have crossed 10 million channel views. So thank you so much for everyone. So you guys are being so much supportive in every social media platform. So as in TikTok, as in YouTube, and recently I have joined in Josh, and I'm getting good response in Josh app also. So you guys are supporting in every platform. So thank you so much for being so much supportive. So let's get started. One second. So before opening this, so comment all your assumptions about this box. So I want to see all your assumptions. So comment all your assumptions in the comment boxes. So open it.
So excited.
My mom was so curious about this, and
Wow.
so 1, 2, 3. Ta-da!
Oh my god! Wow!
So it's a Dettol number.
Little heavy.
Open. So this was the box, mystery box. So I'm going to show you what I have got in this. So what is it? It is a Dettol hand wash. So it have Dettol warriors who are treating all the COVID patients. So Dettol salutes for this one. So we have Dettol salutes. Chaital Some. She is helping COVID-19 patients and slum dwellers in pursuing essentials like food. She is also feeding hundreds of stray animals. So big salute to her.
Next one. Right.
So this is Dettol wipes, multi-purpose wipes. I should open this one. Next one, Dettol kills 100% bacteria and kills 100% bacteria and as we all know, Dettol kills 99.9% bacteria and viruses. So it is disinfectant spray. So this one.
Next.
So here we have Dettol Skincare Everyday Protection pH Balance hand wash and a refill.
Next big one.
Here we have Dettol Antiseptic Liquid. Be 100% sure. So here is a Dettol Antiseptic Liquid for first aid, medical and personal hygiene. Next one. So it is a disinfectant liquid for it is lime fresh and it is multi-purpose liquid for personal and home hygiene. So next one. Dettol and Moms Citrus Fragrance Protection, 0% parabens, talc and drugs. So these are soaps. Dettol and Moms Citrus Fragrance Soaps, 3+1. Next one.
And one more soap.
Here we have Dettol Original Soaps. This is also 3+1. Next, it is Dettol Laundry Sanitizer for hygienic clean and laundry. This is of fresh linen, gentle on clothes. So it is like comfort and retro soft touch like that. Next one is this long lasting moisturizer.
Body wash. I think body wash.
Body wash, huh? Okay. Here we have Dettol Nourish, a long lasting moisture body wash. Hygienic body wash. So yeah, next one. Oh, here we have D95 mask with 6 layers, triple particle filtration system, filters pollution and germs. So I'm going to use, it is reusable up to 30 washes. And next one.
Next, last one.
Last cuties are these hand sanitizers.
Dettol instant hand sanitizer. Dettol instant hand sanitizer.
Last one is this Dettol Instant Hand Sanitizer,
Yes.
original. Kills 99.9% germs. Yes. And that's what we have. So, oh, I think we have a missed cap. So, it's a cap for this one. Dettol disinfectant sprays. Kills germs.
Kills germs. Kills germs.
So these are the things what we have in this mystery box. So as you can see, we have unboxed everything, mystery box.
Lot of things is here.
Are the things we have got in this mystery box. So I hope you all have loved this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next amazing video. Until then, bye.
Bye bye.
ఇలా పెట్టుకొని Yes. We are this.